the plane just went down slowly. So we just realized probably something was wrong. But the personnel of Air France was just great. It was wonderful. So they keep everybody calm and really quiet. We didn't know what was happening actually. And so we secured a seatbelt and we said we had to land in Mombasa because we had a technical problem. But actually it was not a technical problem. It was probably something in the toilet. It was like something wrong in the toilet. Like it could be like a bomb, something like this. They didn't tell us.
You saw it?
No, I didn't see it. People saw it. Other people saw it. So,
what's your name?
Mr. Lucchini.
Lucchini who?
Benoit.
Lucchini Benoit.
Yeah, from Paris. From Paris.
And you're heading to?
To Paris, from Mauritius. But everybody stayed calm and everything was just fine. And Air France, you know, the team of Air France was just wonderful.
How long have you stayed here?
Here?
Yes.
Oh, a few hours, just a few hours.